Hey, if one of your earbuds stops working on the Motorola Moto Buds Plus, then first of all, you will have to input both earbuds inside this charging case, close this case, and charge them for like 10 to 15 minutes. Then you will have to be sure that you unpair them from your device and switch off Bluetooth on this device. Now, if you recharge them, I already did it, so this is why I'm gonna skip this step. You will have to open this charging case and you will have to start holding this button. Now you have to take a look for this indicator. First of all, it will start blinking with a blue for like 5 to even 10 seconds. And after this blue color will turn into the white, just like this. It will blink 2 times and then it will start blinking blue. So now you will have to close this case one more time, wait just for like few seconds, then open it, and we should actually get the pairing mode. So this is the pairing mode, it's blinking blue. Now go into your device back, turn on this Bluetooth, and simply try to repair your earbuds. Accept pairing. And now you can tell me if it works. Thanks for watching.